In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a cash pickup with Ria. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Ria application like you normally would. Please make sure that you are signed into your account. Now, once you guys are done with that, the first order of business is you want to go to the bottom menu and press over here where it says send money. Then you want to determine how much money you want to send, and you also need to determine what currency you're trying to use. So if you're trying to send someone money in Mexico, make sure to use pesos, but you're able to select on the drop down menu and you can go ahead and select on the currency that you are working with. Obviously, this is going to depend on what country you're using. All right, now here is where things get very important. Over here, you'll see this section that says delivered to bank. You just want to go ahead and press on it, and then you will see this section that says delivery method. And then you're going to see this option that says cash pickup, and you want to go ahead and select on it. And that is going to allow you to send money to the other person in the form of cash. So that means that they need to go to a real physical location, have their ID ready, and then they're able to get the money. Then from here, you need to select on how you're going to actually pay for the funds. So you want to select on pay with bank, and then it's going to show you your bank account right over here, your credit card or Google Play from there. Now, once you guys are done with that, go ahead and select on continue. And if you already have someone you sent money to previously, you're able to go ahead and press on their name and then send them the money through there. But if you're trying to send someone money who's completely new, select on add new recipient. And then you want to enter in their first and last name and the city, state, or territory. Now, here's where things get very important once again. You need to make sure that you enter the recipient's full name as it appears on their ID to avoid delay. So the name over here must match exactly the name on their ID. So the person needs to have a valid ID in order to actually pick up the money. Don't send the money if they don't have a valid ID or anything like that. Otherwise, this process is not going to work. So please keep that in mind. But from there, you should be able to go ahead and send the money and you are good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.